Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. Failed to personalize the software update. Please try again. When updating your macOS, we will be using a direct link to update your macOS to the latest version, macOS Sequoia 15.0. First, let's take a look at the error message you might be seeing. Now, let's get started with the solution. Open Safari or your preferred web browser. Go to the link provided in the description below to update your macOS to Sequoia 15.0. Once you are on the website, download the latest version of macOS Sequoia 15.0. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. After the installation is complete, your Mac will restart. Go to System Preferences, Software Update, to confirm that your macOS has been updated to Sequoia 15.0. Thank you for watching. I hope this solution helped you fix the update error.